Good afternoon. I'm Audrey Asistio with the NBC Bay Area. We interrupt the Kelly Clarkson show with breaking news this afternoon. Jurors say Tesla CEO Elon Musk is not liable in his latest trial. Tesla shareholders sued Musk, you might remember, seeking damages. And the plaintiffs argue Musk posted tweets suggesting he had financing not only to take the company private, but that it was valued at $420 a share. Remember that? Musk testified the tweets he posted were accurate, but some shareholders argue his posts and what he knew when did not meet federal disclosure requirements. The judge has already ruled Musk did do wrong, but not clear if that's worthy of damages. I want to go ahead and bring in our Scott Budman now. Scott, you have been listening to this trial. You've been following this for quite some time now. You've been listening all day, all morning. So the closing arguments just happened this afternoon. Just your thoughts about all of this.
Yeah, the closing arguments happened over a few hours. This is a trial that took a few weeks, and the jury was brought back just minutes later with its decision. This really happened fast. There were some words here, Audrey, that really made up the crux of the situation. The prosecution said Musk tweeting out funding secured meant this was going to happen at $420 a share. That was, at the time, a significant premium over what Tesla shares were trading. Investors jumped in to buy, thinking they would make a profit. But ultimately, the defense was something else in the same tweet, where he said, considering taking Tesla private. That was his defense, saying $420 would have been a nice price. Ultimately, that deal fell through, and he did not mean to mislead investors. It were those investors who were suing Musk, trying to say he owed them money because he talked about funding secured on a deal that ended up not happening after the deal fell apart that Musk had been apparently considering. The stock price of Tesla fell back down, and that's where the class action lawsuit came in. Those investors saying it was because of his tweet and them following the tweet that they lost money. So what have we learned? He's not liable, according to the jury, for that, which means he potentially saves a whole lot of money. It depends what those investors were going to ask him to make good on, but he's found not liable. The question is now, going forward, are tweets considered just as important and worthy as, say, writing a press release to the likes of CNBC or Bloomberg News or something like that? This trial made it seem like the answer was yes. Nonetheless, Musk found not liable for the losses that the investors suffered because they followed his tweets.
Okay, so Scott, if I'm an investor watching this right now, learning that, Musk has been found not liable, what am I thinking at this moment?
You know, if you're an investor and you're already in, I don't think this moves the stock price, say, of Tesla all that much. I think investors and those who might invest in stocks in the future should just learn something from this. CEOs and other managers put things out on Twitter because they mean it. The same way you and I would put out some news on Twitter. We've looked into it, we've checked it, it's news, it's accurate. Musk may have dodged a pretty expensive bullet this time, but I think the lesson here is that tweets are real things. And in the future, I think CEOs and boards of directors are going to have to be extra careful before they put something out on Twitter, and they have to make sure that it's verifiable and 100% true, or else you're going to get into this kind of a lawsuit where you're debating words like considering and funding secured. And that just shows how new this whole world is. But I think it's a world that we are firmly living in right now.
We've talked about this time and time again, right, Scott? We're learning as we go. So what happens next?
I think what happens next is a big sigh of relief for Elon Musk, and maybe, although we've said this before regarding Musk and Twitter, a lesson learned, but also, again, a lesson learned by investors. There are lots of ways now that CEOs are going to communicate with you. Make sure you do all your research and expect that anything you read on Twitter is the same sort of thing you might read on a release from CNBC. A court may not see it 100% that way, but someday they might, because these things have so much value. But for now, it appears no money is going to change hands between Musk and the investors that brought him to court.
And I guess that's a big deal for Musk, right, Scott? Because time and time again, we've been talking about a lot of the issues Musk has been dealing with in regards to Twitter. So if I'm just, a person watching and, I'm going on Twitter, or, what do I take out of this? I know you've been talking about the lessons. How about just for the normal person today?
I mean, I think we just have to be careful. They say don't believe everything you read, no matter if it's in the New York Times or, I would add, on Twitter, but also act responsibly. If you're going to invest in something, understand that there are words that are loaded and there are actions that are loaded that will bring stocks up and down. And maybe today shows that it's difficult for investors to sue CEOs and other leaders if their stock prices move. The fact is, as they say, buyer beware, and I would say investor beware. Stocks move up and down all the time on things that we may not be aware of or cognizant about, and we just have to be extra careful when investing. And that's what those of us who have a little experience in this world tell the young people when they say, I want to buy Bitcoin or something. These things move because of factors that we don't even realize. And so buyer beware if you're going to go in and buy stock in any sort of company. Do a lot of research. Get to know the investors and the leaders, and just know these stocks may move up or down, and you may not have the legal opportunities to get that money back that these investors thought they had.
So many lessons learned from this trial. Scott Budman, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Okay, we here at NBC Bay Area will continue to follow this breaking news of the Elon Musk Tesla shareholder lawsuit. We'll have the very latest on NBC Bay Area at 4:30. We'll also have the latest on our website, nbcbayarea.com.